Hello, everybody. All to you AC freaks. What I mean by that is all the people who love air conditioners. This here is my 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Let's see. Reflection, but yeah, there's the information. I'm not really into getting my serial number. That's kind of not what I do. My stuff, but 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Let's see, we'll turn it on. So it makes a good noise. And the water shoved out the back of the unit. Okay, hopefully you can read that, but it does have all the fan settings. So we're going to do that right now. 1, 2, 3. Fan setting. Not really much, but it's good. Cool, energy, fan, and dry mode. Pretty much you folks know. If you watch the other YouTube videos, you probably know how that works. Yeah, it's 36 window, probably by 18 inches high, because the bottom sash moves. The upper part stationary. So, yeah. That's the bedroom, as you can see. Big room, pool's fairly nice. So, yeah, there you go. That's my 8,000 BTU air conditioner. Had it for about a month now. Looks great. I don't know if it's dripping all, but there's the outside right there. Yesterday it was probably 94 degrees out. So yeah, it was hot. But anyways, this here is W Country Boy with my LG here. Once again, 8,000 BTUs. LG remote, all the fancy buttons, bell whistles. Yeah, works great, and I hope you folks enjoyed the video. Once again, this is W Country Boy. Subscribe. Bye.